Hello all and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week I just have an energy drink because holy cow am I run down. These are the weeks that are leading up to my family's vacation. We're going to Vegas for spring break and I'm having a very hard time dealing with anything that is not related to sunshine and palm trees. But I am excited for this week. We are going to paint again. I feel like it's been forever since we've painted, and I've been really enjoying some of these 70s, 80s kind of mushroomy decor vibes that I see a lot on TikTok. Loving the colors, digging the vibe. So we are going to be using those as inspiration for this week's Dutch pour. And if you're interested in seeing how our painting turns out, please continue watching. Woo, guys, it feels weird to be back here and painting, but I'm excited. We've got orange, yellow, and a lime green, and I'm going to be setting down a base of kind of a sand color, a tannish, that I kind of just mixed up. Thought it would look nice with the orange, yellow, green. So the tan has no silicone, our fun colors do. First, we're gonna lay down our base of this tan, and I'm just gonna flood the whole canvas first. Base coat is down, air bubbles are popped, and because if orange and green kind of get mixed together, they're gonna turn brown. That's why we have that yellow in between, so the yellow can kind of blend with both the orange and the green without turning it too muddy. We're also gonna probably throw a little bit of that sand color on in there as well. I think, let's see, we'll do some orange, yellow, green, and then stripe of the tan. And now I'm going to flood around our paint. And then we're gonna blow it over top. So the green is really not showing up super well against the sand. It's a very bizarre color, but I'm gonna move some stuff around with my breath. I've got a glob of something in my paint. Okay, well I can't seem to pick it up, so I'm just gonna kind of shove it into the paint. I don't know, you guys. This one might end up being a paint over. Well, I guess I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna see what it looks like once it's dry. Then we will decide whether or not I'm gonna keep this and gloss it up, make it look nice, or if we're gonna end up scrapping this piece and painting over it eventually. Well, you guys, the painting is dry and finished, and I did not gloss it up. I did not like the way this turned out. It is very much a bummer for our first painting back. I have cat hairs and there were random things in the paint, and it really didn't flow or have the appeal that I hoped it would. There are some highlights to this piece, but let me show you the whole thing first. Like I said, unglossed. I think it's the green, honestly. This green was a lot more neon on canvas than I thought it would be. The orange turned out really nice. Like, look at those flamey cells. I think this is cute. This half, not so much. So I did not gloss this up. I do have plans to paint over it in some other sort of way. But here are some shots of this piece outside in the natural light. He's giving me big purrs, but I know he hates it. Such a handsome boy. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. It's always a bummer when our paintings don't turn out the way that we hoped they would, but we continue on and we learn. If you did enjoy this week's video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I also have the links for my Drunk Crafts with Paige social media in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one. Cheers.